All right, today at UPR, I'm here with Mark Anderson. We're going to take a look at Mark Monero's 84 Mustang here, and we're going to get Mark's thoughts on the car, see what he thinks. He hasn't really been around this car very much, so I first want to get his impressions from the walk around and the underneath shot, and then we'll take it for a drive. What do you think, Mark?
I think that's a great plan. So, as Shrad said, I haven't been around the car at all. I just saw it for the first time the other day, and I know they did a beautiful job on the build, but I wanted to see what was underneath before we go for a ride, and then come back and see if there's anything we want to adjust and change. So, obviously, it's got most of the UPR products on the back as far as the suspension, the uppers and lowers. It's got the biking springs that we carry. It's got our spring adjusters to get the ride heights where you want. The biking double adjustables, which is the same thing we use in a lot of our racing applications. It's got the Coyote in the front. It's got our K member in the front with our A arms, the double adjustable struts again. And it's a street strip car, but it's more just a street car because I don't know if we're ever going to get it to the strip. Mark is probably just going to drive it back and forth to work, but it's just a really cool combo, and we want to take it for a drive, and I want to see what it feels like and come back and make some adjustments maybe if we need to.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
All right, man. Thanks.
I'm going to take the 84 for a spin here and see what Mark thinks. Ugh. Ready to do this?
Absolutely, man.
All right. So we're crossing the intercoastal, and Mark's going to get a little experience on the drawbridge. All right, I don't see any sailboats coming, so I'm not quite sure what's going on with the drawbridge, but here we are. There's 84 just sitting in traffic. Welcome to Palm Beach. Sometimes when you're in Palm Beach and you're going for a drive, putting miles on a vehicle to see what's going on, what you have to do is drive by Trump's house and see, what's up, because why not, right? So that right there in front of us is Mar-a-Lago. We're going to curve around to the right and see if the driveway's blocked, because maybe we can hang out with them. But truth be told, the last time we tried to hang out with them, Secret Service let us know that they weren't accepting visitors. So
I think he'd really like a ride in this old relic.
I think Trump would like the Mustang. I mean, this thing's pretty quick.
Yeah,
he'd probably have fun. There's that gold seal I was talking about.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know. Let's drive by and see if the Secret Service is in a good mood or a bad mood today. Man, there's a lot of sheriffs. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
It's like every 100 yards there's a sheriff
everywhere.
Like, Don, we just want to hang out, man. What's going on, buddy? Yeah. Oh yeah, there's Secret Service. That's his driveway right there.
Okay.
That's Mar-a-Lago.
Okay.
And there's somebody pulling in who's not us. Could we piggyback him? Could we piggyback him and be like, yo, we're with them. What's up? I don't think they're going to let us go in there.
That is pretty neat, man.
Yeah, right? Palm Beach living.
Absolutely beautiful here.
So part of good quality content is taking the car for a drive and just sort of making sure that everything is copacetic, right? At the beach. But, there's the Mustang. We're definitely doing work. All right, we're kind of looking for the famous, what do they call it, Witch's Way or whatever. It's like, it's called Witch's Wall, the coral cut. I think it might be straight ahead of us. I'm not sure. Kind of like go that way. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, go that way.
All right.
This is so cool. I've heard about this on the internet before. I've never seen it in person. The coral wall, known as the Witch's Wall. Coral cut, known as the Witch's Wall. So it looks like you're in the mountains, Tennessee, but we're in Palm Beach.
Good in here.
Yeah, rev it up. Sounds good to me.
Ready?
Yep. It's a little squirrely, right?
Yeah. I think we need to do a little sway bar work, like put one on it.
Yeah, I think we can make that a little better with
Jumps around
Pro
like
Street Anti-Roll Bar.
Jumps around like a water bug. So we took the 84 out for a test drive, and this thing definitely needs an anti-roll bar. So we've installed the brackets. We've got them level, got them mocked up where they need to be, and the next thing we'll be doing is fitting in the actual bar itself. So, as you guys can see, we've installed the bar now. We used our Pro Street bar, which goes with the polyurethane bushings right here. And that is for street application. Even if it's a Pro Street bar and not a Pro Series, we still usually have our customers weld in the brackets up here for the links. But our eccentric bosses here at UPR, since it's their vehicle, wanted the bolt-in application. So it took a little bit more time, but we've got that done. That can be done easily as well. We're going to now go test drive it, see if it made big improvement, which I'm sure it will, and give you guys the follow-up when we get back.
Wow, that's much better.
Absolutely straight as an arrow.
Day and night difference. I want to drive it.
That's incredible. I mean, it almost pulled you straight. It was so
Yeah,
straight.
that feels good. I like that. Pro Street bar for the win.
Yeah.